Nastrovia! This is Jamie June at XOXO Florals. Today I'm making the Fairy Princess Bouquet. I need to start with some Stephanotis, and they do not have a stem, so I am creating a stem for them. I'm using wire and tape. I'm going to add some tissue here that has water in it, and setting it down the center of the Stephanotis. I tape it up and I add a pearl. The Fairy Princess ingredients include wisteria vine, pink O'Hara roses, Stephanotis, 2 types of pink hydrangea, and some yarrow. So I like to start with my wisteria and get it all wound up in a cascade look, and then add the 2 types of hydrangea. The top hydrangea gives me a round shape, and I'm just going to have pops of it sticking out along these nice large garden roses. These garden roses make it a beautiful round shape that I'm trying to form here. And I'm just adding a little bit of yarrow. The bride wanted a little bit of a lavender, like antique purple color, and this yarrow gives it that look without overtaking the blush pink that she truly wanted to stand out in her bouquet. So I keep adding roses. There's my handsome husband. And then I'm going to start cascading down to meet the hydrangea and the wisteria vine. I have the round shape basically where I want. I'm just going to start adding into that cascade build that I'm going for. The bride I'm creating for, she is truly a fairy princess. She has her own business called A Dream Come True Parties, and she dresses up as many different princesses and does birthday parties for little girls. It's super fabulous. You should check her out. So now I'm just adding some Stephanotis. She needs a little bit of bling in her Fairy Princess bouquet, and the Stephanotis is truly that type of flower. These flowers are star-shaped, and adding a pearl into them just gives them that princess bling that she's looking for.